So this video is going to show you two ways in which you can download YouTube video. Already I've created a type of video like that, but because of people are demanding that I should create another video, so I have to do that. Without much ado, let us get started. So you have to go to the YouTube video that you want to download. So here am I'm looking for the video that I want to download. So what you have to do is to right click on that video and then you click on copy link. So I'm right clicking and I click on copy link address. Very important. So once you click on copy link address, you have to go to this very first website, and the name of the website is y2mate.com. I repeat, y2mate.com, and then you hit on send and then you enter the website. And once you enter the website, then we see what we are going to do. So I'm trying to launch the website. So here it is. Can you see download videos and audio from Facebook? You say paste the link in here. So remember, I've already copied the link from this place, you see. So then I have to go back to that Y2Mate. Remember to copy the link. So I'm showing you again, and then I go back and then I right click and then I click on paste. Automatically it's going to search for the video and you can easily download the type of format that you need. I will recommend you download the first one, which is not that heavy, and then I click on download, and you can see, go back to the tab again. It's definitely going to load, and then if it doesn't do that, click on download again. Definitely you see it's now showing download mp4. So you click on download mp4 and just go back to that tab again, because it's going to move to the next tab. So go back to the original tab and you see it has been downloaded, and easily I can place the video offline on my system. So that's just the first one. Then the second website that you can download video from YouTube is this website, savefrom.net, and that is a tutorial I did some time ago. And but for those of you that are yet to know, just click on savefrom.net, and then can you see? So you have to right click, then make sure that the link has been copied. You can use either of the websites. Do you understand? Oh, I made a mistake playing, so I have to proceed. So I go back to savefrom.net and then I'm gonna hit on paste. You see, so it's going to process the link to download. So it's loading depending on the internet. Oh, it says the download link was not found. There's a mistake I did there. So let's go back to it. You right click, I click on, can you see I made a mistake to click on copy image address. So if you click on copy image address, some people were complaining that it's not working. So if you do that, image address is different from link address, so it's not going to show. That is why I'm showing you again. Do you understand? Image address is different from link address. So you see, go back again, copy link address. Can you see that's the image address? You don't need to do that. You go to link address. So you now paste the link address. So once you paste, automatically it's going to search for the video, and you can download the video from here, and you can choose it. As you see, just download the first one. Is going to go to another tab, then go back to the previous tab. You see it here, and then you can easily pause in order to save your data, and click on the three dotted line, then you hit download. Once you hit on download, it's going to save automatically into the system and you can watch the video offline. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download YouTube Short. So I'm going to show you two ways in which you can download YouTube Short. So let's get started. So here am I on YouTube Short platform, and then these are the shorts I want to download, and this is the short. So if you want to download this particular video, whenever you are on short, you will see a three dotted line by the right. So click on the three dotted line. Oh, sorry, at this side you see share. So you click on the share. It's as if you want to share. So you see Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, email, Kakuto, and all the likes. So but we don't need this. When you see something that says copy, so click on copy and it will say link has been copied. So there are two websites that are so important that you can use if you want to download YouTube short video. And the first website is y2mate.com. So you just search y2mate.com and then you hit on enter. So once you hit on enter, you see download video and audio from YouTube. So right click and then you click on paste. So once you click on paste, you see it has already searched for the video, so you can download the resolution that you really want to download. And the highest resolution here is 1080p. We have 720 and others. So I'm gonna hit on download, and then you see it has redirect. Come back to it again for you will see the downloading, and if it doesn't work, you see it has redirected to another website. You cut it and then hit on download again. You see it's now loading, and then hit on download mp4. It has redirect. Come back to this place again because the website has a lot of redirection. So just cancel the redirect, and here it is, y2mate. You see it already download, and the video will definitely be on your system. So let's move to the second website. The second website is savefrom.net. I'm going to leave the description in the link below. So just type savefrom.net, savefrom.net. So you hit on enter. So once you hit on enter, it's gonna show and display this. You see online video downloader. So you paste the link there. So after you paste the link, it's going to search and process the link. Remember, I've already hit on share at this particular side, and then I click on copy. You understand? So I now paste it at this very area. So can you see? I just have to hit on download here. So once I hit on download, this one to redirect. Come back to it again. You see already it's downloading. So this is how to download YouTube Shorts to your laptop without any problem. If you love this video, hit on the subscription button, like, and you comment. Do you want me to make any video on any software? Comment below. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.